Hi, as promised, so I'm ready with my travel journal, and I said it's part 2 of my videos. I've named it as Memoir 2025. Here I have captured the moments of my Scotland trip, right? So, how I made it, I just cut a long strip of paper and folded it, and then I had put two cardboards and pasted it. So, it became a booklet. You can buy it from the market also, you make it on your own. So, here we started our journey and I showed whatever I liked the most. At some places, I sat down and sketched, and at some places, there was no time. So I clicked the pictures and I relived those moments at home while painting it. Here, I have used different types of colors. You can see I have used watercolors, poster colors, ink pens, and even the styles are different. Somewhere it's poster colors, so it's more of opaque, and somewhere it's more of wash technique, and see here it's more of wash technique, and these horses are shown with the help of ink pens. So feel free, you can use any style, any medium of colors. I have also used pencil colors here. Oh, I love these people, I saw them in Edinburgh and I really didn't want to miss them in my memories. Here, see, I have used wash technique. This is the waterfall. These are the green lands. It's really beautiful, when you go to Edinburgh. And here, we landed in Glasgow. Here, I have used only ink pen. And then in North Pier, I have used only pencil. So feel free, whatever time you want to contribute, whatever style you want to give. And of course, you don't have to show your skills into it. Even if you are little aware of the techniques of art, you can easily make it. And the journey ended in Blackpool, where we celebrated my husband's birthday. And yes, the caption says, and the journey continues. So see, I have more pages in my booklet. We will continue our next trip in this booklet only, but not with the same technique. I'll be using some other technique. So watch out and be with Nidhi Gar Kalakriti. And I'm very optimistic. For my third trip, my third booklet is also ready. Right? So as I said, we will be using different techniques for making these travel journals. So continue and be with Nidhi Gar Kalakriti.